Hello and welcome back to World Traveler Cooking. Today we're going to make blini. These are Russian pancakes of various sorts, common throughout Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, some other places. They're very simple to make, very tasty. Typically they are served, at least in Russia, with jam and sometimes condensed milk. But I'm not going to open a condensed milk can for today, so we will do this with just jam. These are thin, light pancakes, kind of similar in some ways to a crepe, but not as strong and quite a bit more fluffy. So, the ingredients are actually quite simple. We have half a liter of milk, we have 250 grams of flour, we have a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 3 eggs, and we'll use about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, along with a little more for cooking, and some butter, partly for cooking. So, let's go. This will be pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get started. First, into the mixing bowl go our eggs. There we go. And then our milk. And we'll whisk this until it's quite smooth. That shouldn't take very long, just a minute or two. Into this we will add the sugar and whip again. And I suppose we could add the salt too, so I'm just going to do that for things easy. I think I need a new whisk. In goes the flour, a bit at a time. We're going to whisk this until it's very smooth. Unlike American pancakes, we do not want lumps. I almost forgot. We need to add about a tablespoon of oil after the flour. You can eyeball it. We're going to whisk this in. This helps keep it from sticking. There we go. Now let's go ahead and get our pan prepared. So once my pan was a little hot, I added a little oil, spread it around. My other doubt with this is that it would be better if I had a nice handle, but I guess I'll make do with pot holders. Now what we do is we take some of this, pour it in, pick up the pan. I don't have enough here. And turn it around so that the whole pan is covered evenly. Then we're just going to let this cook for a bit, and then we will flip it with a spatula. You have to be a little careful, but you can see it's already getting cooked pretty quickly. So I'm going to let this cook through. It's probably not going to take long enough for me to stop this. You can see how quickly it's cooking. Oh yeah, this is about right. And then we're just going to flip it. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Just another couple moments on this side, and then we'll be on to our next one. And I'm going to roll these up once they're fully cooked. You want them brown like this on both sides. So just another like 20 seconds. And then I'll just do some more of these before I do the taste test. While this is cooking, I'm just going to spread a little bit of butter on the top. That's probably good. Now I think we can start rolling this up. Ooh, this is a little overdone, but that's fine. On to the next one. And now for the taste test. First I'm just going to try a little bit of this without jam. See how it compares to both the Swedish pancakes and American ones. This one is definitely much more crepey than American pancakes, but it lacks, I think, I don't know, it's definitely definitely different than the Swedish pancakes too. With the apricot jam, it's just absolutely delicious. I think for pancakes and jam, this is one of my favorite ones so far. It really doesn't take much jam to make this really, really, really tasty. Now, if you find this content interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say interesting about this dish or how you make it, love to hear in the comments. At any rate, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.